Hi, Aunt Sammy. Hi, Aunt Arya. I forgot that I had a video to do today, so this is going to be the video, and I'm not really sure what we're going to talk about. What are we going to talk about, Arya? What'd you get to do this weekend? Do you remember what you did yesterday? You went to gymnastics? Did you go to gymnastics yesterday? Was it fun? What'd you get to do? Talk instead of humming. Say something. Say something. I'm gonna tickle you every time you say hmm.
No. I just see.
You think farts are funny?
Yes.
Can you sing a song about farts? Can you sing a song? Will you sing Frozen? That was loud. That's too loud. You wanna sing a song with me? Too loud. Hey.
That's loud.
That was loud. Is this just gonna be a video of you laughing at yourself?
Yeah. I can see it.
Did you laugh at the video of Mommy and Arya making meatballs? Did you think that was a funny movie?
Yes.
Yeah, it was funny.
Mama, I need the video. I love it. Yes.
No.
Lots of laughs. 1, 2, 3.
Are you counting your laughs?
4 to 10.
Counting to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You're silly. Did you know it? Did you know that you're a silly girl?
Now I can see the video.
You have to say bye-bye to Aunt Ira and Aunt Sammy first, okay?
Bye, Aunt Sammy. Bye, Aunt Ira.
Say, we'll see you tomorrow, Aunt Sammy.
We'll see ya tomorrow, Aunt Sammy.
Go kisses. Mwah. Make a funny face. Beautiful.